from Triumph to Honda through this little nedry bit through here, and we've got an entrance. We have actually got another entrance on Fairy Lane, which I'll show you in a moment, which gives a bit of bespoke parking for Honda, but it does mean that you can just walk from one to the other. So this is entering our Honda store from Fairy Lane. We have a few of our demonstrators here, but you can park your bike here. It's under CCTV, lock it up to the fence, and you can come straight into the store. This water's come in from the rain, I'm afraid, but it hasn't quite got in the shop. Here we are. And as we come in the shop, we have the service counter on the left-hand side as you're walking in. Mainly new Hondas downstairs, so Gullwing here that's sold, so that's waiting to go out. We have a good range of road bikes, roadsters, adventure bikes, scooters, so Africa Twins, Gullwing section. We obviously just pulled that Gullwing out of there to take it round. Customer waiting area, and again we have a coffee machine which is bean to cup, and it's really nice to come in and have a cup of coffee, just talk to the guys. We're not, we've got soft drinks as well, but it's free, it's on free vend. We love just having a chat about motorbikes or whatever you're interested in. Come down and see us and enjoy that. So we have service reception here, which leads through to the workshop, and we have stores at the back with our Honda parts in. Honda's parts delivery system is very, very good. Pretty much if we order it today, it'll be here tomorrow. They really are absolutely amazing on delivery, which is very, very good. We can go through to the workshop, we can have a look in there. Morning, chaps. Yeah, good, yeah. So we have a 4-bay Honda workshop, tyre changing, extraction, and these guys are doing the Honda training. We are located just next door to a Triumph store where we do MOT, so we can do MOTs from here, but we don't actually do them in this building. We do them next door, but it works quite well, that. On it, just a toilet to the left there, and we'll go upstairs. Quite a bit of used stuff. We try and keep our used Hondas over here. So quite a good selection of used Hondas, and we take all sorts in part exchange, so we always have something a bit unusual. At the minute, little T500 Suzuki, that's very unusual, but good range of used stuff. And then we keep quite a few scooters up this end, so we've always got scooters ready to go because they're big sellers. Groms sell really well for us, Daxes when we can get them, and the Honda Visions and SHs, they just really are a good commuter bike. So right through to here with some Gullwings up here, some second-hand Gullwings, and then in here again bit of storage where they're rammed in. Again, stuff that's waiting to go out. We are a bit of a pinch point at the minute because we're just coming up to March 1st, and then this is where we take our photographs in Honda. So we have our photography studio, yeah. So we have a bit behind the scenes a bit here. We have a staff canteen where we have our lunch. So thank you for watching our tour of our dealership, Youles Honda. I hope this gives you a bit more confidence in us of what we do and what we're about. And the main thing here is I think that we all love motorbikes and we all enjoy riding them. And I kind of wonder why we have got to sort of doing what we do, and I come back to that thing every time. We just like motorbikes.